Welcome to Production Expert, my name's Dan Cooper. Back in 2017, I decided to go after one of my lifelong dreams, and that was to design and build my very own recording studio. Now this took a lot of research, a lot of time, and a lot of money. And we got it done. We've been in now for a few years. And in this video, I'm going to show you how we did it. Now this is just a snippet of the full video. If you want to watch the full video, do click that card at the top right of the screen or the link in the description below. So this is what we had to work with. A standard log lap cabin in the garden, previously used as a builder's workshop. The size of it was pretty good, but we had this corner porch area that took up too much space on the inside. That was something that we needed to address quite early on, how to get the space opened up. This was done quite simply by chopping away those inside walls and the door area, removing the support from the top of the ceiling, with some extra supports put in at the top to support the whole structure. On the face of the building there was a window. This was filled in with leftover timber from the porch area, and some support beams were put on the inside there again just to add a little bit more strength to the structure. Next we addressed the outside skin of the building. A timber frame went up, OSB boards, we had a custom plinth built to match what was already there, which looked quite nice. And then it was time for us to address the internal insulation. Now for the vast majority of this stage we used 100mm thick foil back insulation. Now this alone wasn't going to be doing much to aid the soundproofing properties of this build, but it was going to do a lot for the thermals of this room. We had a few other different thicknesses of the foil back insulation. The thickest, the 100mm insulation, went up in the ceiling and directly onto the timber walls, with the thinner insulation going in front of the internal surrounding brick wall so that the inside insulation was flush. Now while the insulation was being installed on the inside, we had one of the building team on the outside skinning the face of the building with extra OSB boards, a moisture membrane and wood cladding to match the aesthetic of the building.